Taking time away from work shouldn't mean sacrificing your financial security. Whether you're recovering from illness, welcoming a new child, or caring for a loved one, paid leave laws exist to support you. But knowing what you're entitled to and how to access it isn't always simple. Today, I'll walk you through your rights to paid leave as an employee, including what the law requires, what employers often overlook, and how to make sure your time off is both protected and paid. Let's break it down. What is paid leave? Paid leave refers to time off from work, where you continue to receive your wages, either through your employer, a government program, or both. In California, paid leave can cover situations like personal or family illness, pregnancy and childbirth, caring for a sick family member, bonding with a new child, recovery from injury or surgery, addressing mental health needs. Whether or not you're entitled to paid leave depends on your employer's policies and several overlapping state and federal laws. These are the key paid leave laws in California. Let's look at some of the most important paid leave protections available to employees. 1. Paid sick leave, PSL. Under California law, most employees, full-time, part-time, or temporary, are entitled to accrue paid sick leave. You earn at least 1 hour for every 30 hours worked, and employers must allow you to use at least 24 hours or 3 days per year. Some cities, like Los Angeles and San Francisco, have even more generous local requirements. 2. Paid family leave, PFL. This state-run program, administered by the Employment Development Department, EDD, provides up to 8 weeks of partial wage replacement when you take time off to care for a seriously ill family member, bond with a newborn, adopted, or foster child, participate in a qualifying event due to a family member's military deployment. Note, paid family leave doesn't guarantee job protection, but it does provide income during qualifying leave. 3. State disability insurance, SDI. If you're unable to work due to a non-work-related injury, illness, or pregnancy, SDI provides short-term wage replacement for up to 52 weeks. You'll need a medical certification, and you must apply through the EDD. 4. California Family Rights Act, CFRA, and FMLA. While these laws don't require employers to pay you during your leave, they do protect your job while you're away. You may use accrued paid leave, like sick time or vacation, while on CFRA or FMLA leave. These laws apply to employers with 5 or more employees, CFRA, and 50 or more, FMLA, and generally cover up to 12 weeks of job-protected leave in a 12-month period. Do all employers have to offer paid leave? Not all types of paid leave are required by law. Some benefits, like paid vacation or extended paid parental leave, are offered voluntarily by employers or included in union contracts. However, sick leave, SDI, and PFL are mandatory programs in California. If your employer denies your right to take or use them, that could be a violation of the law. What if your paid leave is denied? If you believe you're entitled to paid leave and your employer refuses, start by documenting the situation. Keep records of your request, their response, and any relevant communications. Review your rights. Check your employee handbook and the applicable laws. Speak to HR if you feel comfortable. Ask for the denial in writing. Consult an attorney if necessary. Denying lawful paid leave could amount to retaliation or wrongful termination. These are the tips for navigating paid leave. Plan ahead when possible. Submit leave requests in writing and in advance. Apply for benefits early. SDI and PFL claims should be submitted as soon as you're eligible. Keep medical certifications up to date. These are often required for SDI and CFRA leave. Track your hours and accruals. Make sure your paid sick leave balance is accurate. Understanding your rights to paid leave isn't just about taking time off. It's about protecting your income, your job, and your well-being. You don't have to choose between your health and your livelihood. California law gives you the tools to do both. And if those rights are violated, you have options. If you're unsure about your paid leave rights or believe your employer has acted unlawfully, visit employeelawgroup.com to speak with someone who can help. You deserve to take care of yourself and your family without fear of losing your job or your paycheck.